Well, hey guys, I just got in my Z-Trap number 8 Skunk and More standard live trap, raccoon, cat, and skunk. If you've been watching my videos lately, you know I've had some skunks and raccoons and possums and feral cats up on my patio. Now they make this trap in a 8-inch and they also make it in a 6-inch. I opted for the 8-inch just because I wasn't real sure about the size. I was afraid maybe a big skunk couldn't get in it, or a possum or a feral cat. So I went ahead and got the 8-inch. I'm gonna take it out of the box here in just a second. Here's what it looked like on Amazon. Now that's where I ordered it. You can see it's pretty expensive. It was $115. But the reason I went ahead and got this is I know animals like to chew, and this is made out of a 16 gauge aluminum, and it's also a powder coated. It's an 8-inch round tube. The doors are 10.5 inches tall, and the whole tube is 29 inches long. So hey, let's take it out of the box and take a look at it, and I'll show you some of the features of it. Well, it does come with instructions. That's a good thing. All right, that's what it looks like. You can see it's a brown coated. This is midnight black, and it's also coated. One of the reasons I also like this is because it has this rear door. You can just pull this pin right here, and you can actually take this door off, so you can put your bait in there, or easily release them. Now to set this trap, all you do is you've got a lock right here that you lift up. You lift it up, you lift this up, and there's a bolt sticking out right there. You just put it right on the edge of that. Now inside, let me take this back off and I'll show you. You pull the cotter pin, pull the pin out. Now take a look. You see the trigger in there? They'll come in and they'll come to get to the food, and they'll bump that trigger, and that slams the door, and you got them. And they're inside this cylinder, so definitely going to be spray proof. So hey, let's just set this thing up in the backyard. Now if you notice my videos, they've been eating my cat food. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some cat food in the back, because that's what they're used to eating, and I may maybe throw a piece of bread with some peanut butter in there, just give it some more smell. So hey, let's go set it up, and I'm going to put my motion cameras on it, and we're going to see if we can catch us a skunk. Well, I've got it set here on my back porch. One other feature I failed to mention a while ago is on the bottom there's a stabilizer. You just turn it 90 degrees, and that helps stabilize the trap. Now I've took the back door off and I put some cat food in the very back. Now, I'm going to set this trap, so I just lift it up. I'm going to take and put a little bit in the front, just kind of coach them in there. All right, now the waiting game. Let me go set my motion cameras up, and hopefully by in the morning we got us a skunk. Well, here's the reason I bought this trap. They say if they can't raise their tail and their hindquarters, they can't spray. So let's go see if we can turn him loose without getting sprayed. Well, this is the reason I bought this trap. Let's see if we can get him out of here without getting sprayed. Now just sit back and wait. I've heard sometimes it takes 20 minutes or so, so we'll see. And there he goes. It didn't take but a minute. He went out real quick. Now that city skunk is now a country skunk. Well guys, this 8-inch Z-Trap Skunk and More did exactly what I wanted it to do. So if you're looking to buy you a trap to catch skunks, like I say, you ain't got to worry about them chewing through this one. Hey, I highly recommend this. Stay tuned though. I've got several other critters out there in the backyard. Hit that subscribe button and push that bell notification so you'll be notified when my next videos come. So, hey, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Until next time, I will catch you later.